As the golden sun began its descent, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink, a group of small sparrows gathered under the great old oak tree in the middle of the park. Summer was ending, and the gentle warmth in the air was replaced by a crisp chill. Food was becoming scarce, and the birds knew they needed to embark on a quest for sustenance. Pip, the smallest and most energetic of the sparrows, fluffed his feathers energetically. "We need to search beyond the park," he chirped with determination. The older birds, including Sage, the wisest sparrow, nodded in agreement. The park had grown quiet, and the crumbs left by the picnickers were few and far between. With a spirited lift, a dozen wings took to the sky, casting fleeting shadows on the grass below. They flew in formation, Pip leading the way with instinct and youthful zeal. Below them, the rows of trees stood like soldiers waiting for winter's touch, their leaves dancing down to carpet the earth. Pip suddenly made a quick dive, his sharp eyes catching a glimmer of a child's forgotten sandwich. The other birds swooped down, excitement shimmering in their calls. But victory was short-lived. A loud caw shattered the harmonious twittering. A crow, large and formidable, had seen the flock's find. Dominating the scene, the crow strutted forward, scattering the sparrows. Sage, unafraid, flapped his wings with authority, meeting the crow's gaze. "We'll find our own way," he assured the others, leading them away. The sparrows continued on, guided by the pale light of the crescent moon now rising. Hunger gnawed at their bellies, but their spirits were undeterred. They followed a narrow, glistening stream that led them to a nearby farm, its fields rich with seeds and grains, untouched by birds who preferred to remain closer to home. The flock settled in, pecking and chirping with relief. They ate their fill, savoring the unexpected bounty. The crow's interference had directed them to new opportunities, and the sparrows learned that sometimes obstacles are the guiding force to rich lands unknown. Their journey had not just filled their bellies, but taught them the value of courage and perseverance. As the first light of dawn peeked over the horizon, Pip and his friends flew back to the park, a little fuller in belly and spirit, ready for whatever came next.